finger. We call it Singer in French, a Singer.
Bonjour and welcome back to 4x4 Explore. This is me, and here's my husband Keith. We enjoy travelling around Australia in our Toyota 79 series fitted with a Tommy camper. Join us on our journey, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
In the Pilbara, and today we are going to go and explore the Millstream Chichester National Park. So we're starting from the north and we'll make our way down south. Today we're going to try to explore a four-wheel drive track which is called George Gorge. I have planned all this trek using the Explore Oz Traveler app. I love the app, and if you haven't got it yet, do yourself a favor, click on the link in the description below and download it today. It will help you in your travel and it will help the channel as well. I think we're going to have fun on this place. It's quite hot today. We're deflating the tires, and yeah, come with us for an adventure. Wow, the view is absolutely unreal, absolutely unreal. Look at all the white flowers as well. There's some red flowers, some purple one, with the green spinifex. It's really beautiful. So we are at Python Pool. It's only 100 meters from the car park. We are going to have a nice swim. Awesome. It's getting very hot. Tomorrow I think will be 38 degrees, Keith. Yeah. Well, that was a lovely swim at Python Pool, but there's not much water. There's still enough water to have a good swim, but the waterfall has completely disappeared. So I don't know what to expect of the rest of the trip. I think it's going to be fairly dry. So we're going to try to find the entrance to George Gorge now, and the plan is to see if we can find a nice camp spot just around the first river crossing. So we'll see. this is supposed to be the George River. So we are in the George Gorge, not a drop of water. Very, very hot. Spectacular though, the cliffs are unreal. C'est l'heure de l'apéro. Ginless tonic. Very good. And what is very exciting is pâté enough, and that's my last box. So I think it's time that I go back to France to get another supply. So yeah, awesome. So we've got pâté enough, we've got cornichon, we've got some, what is that? Oh yeah, pickled onion. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So we are at George Gorge in Millstream National Park. It is super hot. It is so hot. We really picked the worst time. All the river is completely bone dry. Completely bone dry, which took us a bit by surprise because we were expecting to have to do some river crossing. And we was watching a video of some can't remember the YouTube channel, but I'll put the link up there so you can have a look at Millstream National Park when it's been raining. Those guys, they arrived like us. The river was absolutely bone dry. It started to rain later on that night, and then it rained for 24 hours. And by the time they realized how bad the rain was, the river, which was dry when they arrived, was over 2 meters deep. They tried to walk it, and it was just the water was going over their head. So that's how much water this catchment area just collect in one river, in that gorge, George Gorge. Absolutely amazing, but beautiful cliffs, and all the mountains around are absolutely fantastic, absolutely beautiful, with all the spinifex on it, and it looks like, when you look at it from a very, very long distance, it looks like it's all velvet colors as well. So yeah, it's beautiful, but a little bit too hot, and yeah, our electrical system just can't cope with it. The freezer is dropped to a worrying temperature of -6. I just can't keep up with the heat. And yeah, we're losing power. So I think we'll have to drive tomorrow anyway. But it's just not very pleasant to stay here in that heat without any water. So we'll move on, and then we'll make our way to the south of Millstream National Park. So we'll take you with us, all right? See you then, and enjoy the apéritif. Santé, yemat, prospérité. couldn't find a better place to have breakfast, could we? Look at the landscape behind me, it's absolutely splendid. It's so peaceful. Hey, we haven't seen anybody for 3 days.
No. We're only ones mad enough to be out here in this time.
I know.
End of the season.
What? It's 8:30 now.
Yeah, it's 34 degrees.
And it's 34 degrees already.
And it's spring.
It's just start of spring. We're just early September.
Plates.
Yes, please. All right. We're going to cook breakfast, so we'll catch up later. Eh? Creek. It's from the Fortescue River. Let's go and have a look. This is the viewing point as well. We are at the cliff lookout. The Homestead.
Let them walk. Is that the homestead?
Mm-hmm. So I think this area used to be pastoral land. They used to grow sheep around here, I think. That was a homestead for it. And then the government took over and turned Millstream Chichester into a national park and into a catchment area for Karratha, to supply water to Karratha. Here you go. So we'll go and have a look inside the homestead, eh? So the homestead was established in 1919. Oh. Is it air conditioning?
No.
It's so cool though here.
Yeah. Tired series.
A singer. We call it singer in French. A singer. Very well designed, those houses, because it's naturally very cool inside. It's quite hot outside, but it's naturally very cool. This is a bloody hot day. It's amazing. It's only like beginning of September, so it's really early spring, and boy, it must be 36 or 37 degrees here. So we was We were hoping to spend more time around Millstream, but it's just too hot, far too hot. So we are going to drive down now to Kennedy, towards Kennedy National Park, which is going to be an awesome four-wheel drive track. 260 kilometers of four-wheel drive track is going to be awesome. So come with us. Subscribe if you haven't done so you don't miss our next episode, and we will see you on the road.